Hi, this is Florian, the other guy at 99 Sensors, live from the ISE2022 at Barcelona. At 99 Sensors, we're all about gathering data from the sensors, devices of all kinds, aggregating it, enabling you to take some critical business decisions. One of our showcases here is our lift and learn scenario. You might be very familiar with that. You're lifting something, and then you will learn on the screen. The problem with most of these use cases is that they're nice for your customers, but they're not giving you any data that you can work with. For this kind of use cases, which are basically offline, we have designed a small box which we call the Cloud Link, which you just install between, for example, your Nexmosphere sensors and your BrightSign or your Samsung screen, or in all kinds of installations. It will gather the sensor data, send it to the cloud, where we make something sensible out of it. So once you plug this device, you get immediate reaction inside and from the cloud. It's basically a digital twin of your local installation. So you lift the bag, and you can immediately see how the numbers, total pickup numbers, are going up. We calculated average engagement time, and a lot more of information. So why is this data business critical for you? I'll give you a few examples. This bag is placed in a quite expensive position as you're using sensors and the screen. So if you don't know what people are doing with that, you might miss some critical information. For example, nobody is interacting with this bag. You might want to switch the product for another product that gets more attention. A lot of people are interacting with the bag, but nobody's buying it. Might mean you got the wrong product for your environment, or the price is too high. And there are even other scenarios where you can imagine, for example, if somebody picks the bag up and does not release it for a while, we can send you an SMS to the staff to go to this point and help the customer, as we're having a valuable product in which the customer is interested, and now he's doing his decision to buy or not to buy it. All this can be enabled with the Cloud Link, our Do Cloud, and various kinds of sensors, all kinds of interfaces and devices. So if you want to know more about how to gather critical data for your business, contact me. Just call 99 Sensors and ask for the other guy, and I'll be there for you. Thank you.